Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to show you how you can cultivate and grow English ivy from cuttings.
So I have some ivy growing at the back of my garden, so I'm going to use that for the cuttings. I just chopped off one decent sized piece, and then I could cut it into smaller pieces. You don't have to be too technical for this, just make sure there's a few leaves on each piece, and then just cut off the lower leaves to leave a bit of a stalk. I'm just removing some of the top leaves as well, and then I'm going to add them to a jar of water. So I left them on the windowsill in indirect sunlight, and I changed the water every few days, and about a month or so later you can see now there are some roots developing. In this case they're just above where the water line was. It doesn't really matter where the roots grow. So now I'm going to pot them up. I've got some variegated cuttings as well. I'm going to use some of this dry coconut. It's really handy. You put it into water and it expands, and this is nice and sterile for indoors, so there's no bugs or anything in here. I'm just going to cut off that lower part of the stalk because I'm going to put these in quite a small pot. I'm just going to put a scrap bit of paper in the bottom of the pot to stop the dirt falling out. And then add some of this soil. This is really soft soil as well, so it allows the roots to grow nicely. Now I just need to make sure those roots are covered and be nice and delicate not to damage those roots. And there it is, potted up. So I did this one and the variegated one. Now I'm going to leave these on the windowsill again for around another month.
So now this one's been growing in its pot for around a month or so, and I thought I'd just let you see the root development. It won't hurt the plant. I'll put it back afterwards. I just want to see how the roots are getting on. As you can see, it's been growing new leaves. All this part is new, nice and green. Let's just carefully have a look. Check out those roots. And there's plenty of roots growing on here, as you can see. There's some roots here, there's roots here, and they're starting to go all the way around the pot now, just after about a month or so. So there's plenty of room left in this pot for more root growth, but next year I'll pop this on into a larger pot. Okay, so that is about it for this video, and as you can see, these are doing well. I'll keep these indoors over winter time. I think they look nice on a shelf in an office environment. So they cost nothing to grow, practically nothing. If you can find a plant and take a cutting, and you should have your own healthy little ivy plant growing just like these ones. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.